What if the sun suddenly decided to swell up tomorrow, to balloon into a red giant overnight, catching Earth totally off guard? It's a terrifying thought, but hold on. We're gonna walk through it step by step, and in the end, there may be something unexpected waiting. Imagine waking to two suns in the sky, brilliantly red, bigger than your house. That is our hook. The moment our star, so familiar and life-giving, becomes a monstrous red giant. We start by introducing what that means. A red giant is a late stage in a star's life, when it exhausts its core hydrogen and begins to burn shell hydrogen, causing outer layers to expand enormously. In reality, our sun is expected to reach that point in about 5 billion years. But for our thought experiment, let's pretend it happens in one day and ask, what would Earth experience? In our setup, the sun's outer envelope inflates, its luminosity surges, its radius swells until possibly engulfing the inner planets. As that happens, the heat and radiation drop like a curse onto Earth. The first consequence: temperatures rise sharply across the planet. Water bodies begin to evaporate. The oceans roar with steam. Food chains falter. Plant life dies in the brutal heat. Animals follow. Within hours, the surface becomes unbreathable, a ghastly oven where no life as we know it can persist. The atmosphere itself becomes unstable. Gases may be stripped or chemically transformed under intense ultraviolet and solar wind. Meanwhile, Earth's crust starts to melt in spots, fissures opening, continents drifting into molten seas of rock. As sunlight becomes blinding, the night side no longer offers refuge. The star's glow wraps the planet fully. The next stage, Earth starts to feel the sun's outer layers, tenuous gas and plasma brushing its orbit. Friction and drag slow the planet's orbit, causing it to spiral closer. The molten Earth gradually is pulled deeper into the stellar envelope. Eventually, the core of Earth is consumed, vaporized, dissolving into the star itself. From the sun's perspective, a silent absorption. Earth becomes fuel, dissolving into the red giant's outer shell. Meanwhile, further out, Jupiter and Saturn face their own trials. Their atmospheres heated, winds raging, possibly losing mass. Beyond that, some moons or distant worlds might temporarily find a new habitable zone, warmed for a fleeting billion-year window. In real science, these dramatic events take place over billions of years, not overnight. And here's the twist. Even if Earth somehow survived the swelling, the sun does not end there. It will shed its outer layers, collapse into a white dwarf, leaving a haunting planetary nebula behind. That means the long-term fate of our world was never safe. Survival would be an illusion leading to eventual doom. The emotional takeaway: our sun, the axis of life, will one day betray us in a sense, but its death will be silent, beautiful, terrifying. We imagine a final sunset that never ends, a planet swallowed, a legacy bright then erased. Yet this thought experiment reminds us how fragile life is, how temporary our place in the cosmic story. If you like this journey into cosmic fate, hit like, subscribe, and join us in exploring more what-ifs of the universe.